G'day, welcome back. Today we're talking about one of Australia's underrated backyard residents. The dandelion can be found in our parks, backyards and farms. Dandelions are packed with more nutrients than an overpriced smoothie in a Bondi cafe. And they've got more uses than a Swiss Army knife on a Bear Grylls camping trip. Instead of utilising the benefits of dandelions, most of us just mow them down. Dandelions can be found almost everywhere, but are most commonly found during spring. Yep, those little yellow flowers in your backyard aren't just weeds, they're nutritional powerhouses and natural remedies. So stick around and we'll show you some surprising ways you can use dandelions. Most people don't realise dandelions are edible. The leaves are packed with vitamins such as A, C and K, and you can add them to your salads to give them a peppery kick, or even brew the roots into a caffeine-free coffee substitute. And dandelions can be also used as a tea. It's great for digestion and liver health. Dandelions have been used in herbal medicine for centuries. They can help support liver function, reduce inflammation, and can even help regulate blood sugar levels. Dandelions aren't just good for us, they're great for the environment. They're one of the first sources of food for bees in spring, and their deep roots aerate soil and prevent erosion. Dandelions contain several different types of antioxidants in their roots, leaves and flowers. You can add them to your compost pile and they're packed with nutrients for your garden. So next time you see some dandelions, have a think about how you can use them and potentially put them to use. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please share and subscribe to our channel so we can spread the love of syntropics, regenerative farming and off-grid living.